Under the cover of night, this dog attacked my chickens. The chickens walked freely around the site in the spring, therefore, that the planting of the garden is still far away. Their house was open, they went out to the playground in the morning, and went to bed in the evening. This dog is all in their blood. I cried. With my income, this is a big blow for me. I have been raising these chickens with such love for over a year now. Enough eggs.
Вот число для тех, кто не верит. Перевожу потихонечку. Вот.
This is a little story about how my chickens lived freely in winter, autumn, spring. Freely walked around the site until vegetables were planted. Then they had their own yard near the house while vegetables were growing.
Все. Ох, как вас набежало.
After this terrible incident, which consisted of 2 episodes. The first time she killed almost all the adult chickens. I caught it and gave it to the owners when they paid me a small compensation, which, of course, did not cover even half of my loss. I begged on my knees not to let her go. They put her on an iron chain or in an aviary, as she runs around all the playgrounds on our street. For the second time in 3 weeks, she had already made her way into the closed pen and killed all the new chickens that I bought in the hope.
А? Тебя не привязали опять? Рыжик. Кушай. Кушай, кушай. А вот водичка тебе.
Now I close them with 2 locks.
Или тебя что, специально?
I'm adding more doors. Iron ingots.
Крови.
There are 8 hens left,
Где ты крови
which were bought
взял,
young and
а?
do not lay eggs yet.
Рыжик.
And I hear this dog from afar,
Что делать?
barking in the morning, and in the afternoon,
Я?
and at night, almost without stopping. Hyperactive dog, thank God, has not yet appeared.